24 hours later.
I like how the arc spins. It really makes my day. Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Brown Barbell Club. Today we are reviewing the Synergy Regional Barbell. We have been using this barbell from almost a year. We bought this barbell 11 months ago and I think it's a perfect time to review the Synergy Regional Barbell. So let's get started. Do you know we have done a lot of reviews on our channel? If you don't know, now you know. So make sure you subscribe the channel and check out the other reviews. Before we start the review, I just want to let you guys know that Synergy offer different types of barbell on their website. They have a different product lines. The first one is called as Technique Barbell, Games Barbell, Regional Barbell and Rhino Powerlifting Barbell. Today we are talking about the Black Phosphate Synergy Regional Barbell. In this video we will be talking about the three things. The first one will be the specification of this barbell. The second thing will be the comparison of this barbell with the Rogue Power Bar and the other competitive bars. And the third thing will be our review. Should you buy it? Should you not? So stay tuned till our review. Starting with the packaging, it's I think one of the best well-packaged barbell that we have received so far. We don't have unboxing video unfortunately because we were too excited to open the barbell and we just started using it. This barbell was well packaged just like other barbells in the market, but one thing that stood out for us was that at the end of this packaging they have 3 screws, which really helps you when you are trying to unbox the bar out of this packaging. So I would say it was really good. Synergy barbells, they come in 2 sizes. The first one is 15 kg women's bar and the second one is 20 kg men's Olympic bar. More details to follow. For other specifications, let's start from the middle of this barbell and go towards the end, and let's talk about each detail of this barbell. Starting with the main shaft, its diameter is 28 mm, which is almost standard to the IPF approved standard bar or the Olympic barbells. As you guys can see, there's a no center knurling in the middle of this barbell, but it has diamond style dual knurling marking on the sides. If you are not aware about these markings, dual markings are standard across all the Olympic barbells. The length of this barbell is 86 inches. The loadable sleeves, which is around 16 inches, which is pretty good if you are loading the bumper plates or the calibrated kg plates for your lifts. As we are talking about the loadable sleeves, let's talk why they spin so much and why they spin so smoothly. The reason is they have used the 5 needle bearings on one side. So technically they have 10 needle bearings, which helps in smooth spinning of this bar. So now the question is, why does it matter? Do you need the bar to spin? Yes. If you are doing the Olympic barbell lifting like clean and jerk or snatches, you need the bar to rotate smoothly so that you can perform those lifts efficiently. I think this barbell comes in really handy if you are doing Olympic weightlifting. They have rated this bar for 1500 pounds. So it's pretty good, but if your squat is more than 1500, don't buy this bar. My squat is 1400, so this bar works for me. Now a specification for you nerds. The tensile strength of this barbell is rated as 190,000 psi, which is again pretty great considering all the barbells out there. The price of this barbell is really great. I bought this barbell under 300 Canadian dollars and the shipping was free. For the comparison part, I would like to compare this barbell with the Rogue Ohio bar. The specification of this barbell is pretty close to the Rogue Ohio bar, which is one of the most popular bar in the weightlifting community. Now, review by the Brown Barbell Club. Before we start the review, I just want to let you guys know that we don't do any paid reviews. We review only that stuff which we have actually bought or we are using in our garage gym. So this is not a paid review. Nobody has paid any penny, but Synergy can buy us a pizza after this one if they want to. For the price standpoint, I got this barbell under $300 Canadian along with free shipping. Shipping was with Amazon Prime, so I got the barbell in 2 days. Comparing with the Rogue Ohio bar, the bar itself is $394 Canadian dollars. On the top of it, Rogue doesn't offer the free shipping. So shipping might cost you around 50 to 100 bucks depending on where you live. At the end of the day, Rogue Ohio bar will be costing you around 500 bucks. At the same time, this is costing me $300. So which one you think I should buy? We have been using this barbell from almost a year now, and considering that we are working in a garage gym and the harsh conditions of the Alberta, I have seen no rust or any sign of the rust on this. On top of it, knurling itself is pretty uniform across the barbell. But let's say you are a pretty rough user with your barbells or with your weights. Synergy do have a solution for you. They do offer 1 year warranty on their barbell. Now, should you buy it or should you not? I think if you are doing a weightlifting or the general strength in your garage gym, this barbell is perfect for you because it does help you in all your lift. But they have rated this barbell for the powerlifting purpose as well. From the last 1 year, we have been using this bar for the squats and the deadlifts, which is great. But on the bench press, we have seen that this bar sometimes rotates in your hand while doing the bench presses. So I believe if you are doing a powerlifting style bench, I don't think this barbell is for you. But for the other purposes like clean and jerk, squat, deadlift, it works perfect. But wait, if you are a powerlifter, they do offer another barbell which is a great for the powerlifting. That barbell is called Synergy Rhino Powerlifting Bar. I have not used it, but they do offer on their site. If you want to check it out, it will be in the part of the description. Alright, that was all. I highly recommend this barbell considering the price and the build quality of this product. Make sure you like this video, subscribe the channel and check out the other reviews on the channel as well. Till next video, be strong, stay safe.